Custom loop water cooling, is it worth it? You have seen them, those stunning high-end gaming PCs with crystal clear coolant flowing through precision bent tubing. They look like something straight out of a futuristic tech lab. But beyond the aesthetics, is custom loop water cooling really worth it? Or is it just an expensive luxury? Let's break it down. Air cooling has been the standard for years. It's simple, reliable, and does the job for most people. But if you're pushing your system to the limit with high-performance gaming, rendering, or overclocking, traditional cooling methods can struggle. High temperatures lead to throttling, reducing performance when you need it the most. And let's not forget the noise. As fans work overtime to cool your system, your one silent setup starts sounding like a small jet engine. This is where custom loop water cooling changes the game. Unlike all-in-one coolers, which offer a closed-loop solution, a fully custom loop is built specifically for your system. It consists of water blocks that absorb heat from your CPU and GPU, a high-performance pump that moves coolant through the loop, radiators that dissipate heat, and precisely cut tubing to connect everything together. The result? Drastically lower temperatures, significantly quieter operations, and a level of customization that turns your PC into a true showpiece. Of course, nothing this advanced comes without its challenges. Custom loops are an investment, both in terms of cost and maintenance. High-quality components can be expensive, and assembling the system requires careful planning. And then there's the upkeep. Coolant needs to be monitored, the loop has to be clean, and proper installation is critical to prevent leaks. This is where experience makes all the difference. At Empress PC, we specialize in designing and building custom water-cooled systems that eliminate these concerns. You get all the benefits of extreme cooling without the risk and guesswork. So, is custom loop water cooling worth it? If you demand the absolute best performance, the quietest operation, and a system that stands out like no other, the answer is absolutely. And with Empress PC handling the technical side, you can enjoy all the advantages without worrying about the challenges.